Good evening, I'm Sharice Gibson. Tonight we are following a number of new developments as a result of the Supreme Court overturning the Roe v. Wade decision. Now a New Orleans judge has transferred the Louisiana abortion case to Baton Rouge. Also tonight, we just got word from the NOPD that officers will not respond to abortion law violations. The statement just released says, quote, only in the event of extenuating circumstances such as medical malpractice by a provider or violations of criminal law unrelated to state abortion statutes would any sort of enforcement be considered. Devin Bartolotta was in court for today's hearing, joining us now with the latest on the impact of the decision to move that case. Devin, seems like a ever-developing case.
Yeah, Sharice, this was a curveball that not a lot of people saw coming. New Orleans going forward will not be the home court for this case. This also means that the judge today could do nothing but let the temporary restraining order expire.
What do we do? What we say today is keep the clinics open, free, safe, legal abortion rights.
Outside the New Orleans Civil District Court Friday, the fight for abortion rights was passionate.
Keep the clinics open! You want to be able to control us. You want to be able to demand that we have forced pregnancies.
Inside the courtroom, the fight was more procedural, taking up the heated lawsuit filed by an abortion clinic and Students for Choice against Attorney General Jeff Landry and the Department of Health Secretary Courtney Phillips. Judge Ethel Simms Julien ruled that the lawsuit must be moved to East Baton Rouge Parish. It's in line with state law and legal precedent that says public officials must face a judge in the parish where they perform their duties. And as soon as Judge Simms Julien made the change of venue ruling, she lost any jurisdiction to extend the temporary restraining order, keeping abortion rights in place.
The laws that are on the books are absolutely enforceable today.
It's a win for Landry, who is firmly anti-abortion and tried several times to undermine the TRO and stop abortions in the last 12 days. He says he'll continue to urge the state Supreme Court to take the case and will enforce the trigger laws now back in effect.
I would say that abortion clinics that are operating in the state of Louisiana as of today are operating illegally. If they continue to operate, they do so under their own risk, both the doctors and the clinics as well.
Plaintiffs' attorneys continue to argue that those laws are too vague, and conflicting statements on who will enforce what, especially in New Orleans, are causing confusion. In response to Friday's technicality ruling, the Center for Reproductive Rights attorney Jenny Ma wrote, quote, "To be clear, this case is by no means over. We're just starting the legal battle to get the ban blocked again." The sole clinic in New Orleans appeared closed just an hour after the hearing, with no clear answers on when or if it will reopen.
Now, pro-choice plaintiffs in this case are immediately seeking a new temporary restraining order in East Baton Rouge Parish that could allow abortions to continue in Louisiana again. In New Orleans, Devin Bartolotta, Eyewitness News.